Tesla Giga Berlin demonstrates faster factory construction than we have seen it with Giga Shanghai, although we have all been impressed by Tesla Giga Shanghai's speed. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel if you are here for the first time. Look around. This is a developing story that I'm going to report about Giga Berlin and its progress. And also, please like this video and show your appreciation of all the people who helped me to bring them and report them at our Torque News channel. So the construction of Giga Berlin is progressing at a very fast pace. If the work continues at the same speed, then the foundation of the building will be completed in August. This is impressive, and at the beginning of the fall, the exterior of the building will be visible, as I have reported below. This video that you're showing by our friend and enthusiast Tobias Lindh shows significant progress on the site. At the moment, there are 2 tower cranes. Those are already working, and the third crane, tower crane, is at the assembly stage. They're all going to be on railroads. This means that after the completion of its assembly, the speed of construction of Giga Berlin will increase even more. Rails are also prepared for the 4th crane, which will be assembled a little later. This is amazing speed, isn't this? Remember, I have I think 2 months ago, based on the research of our friend Tobias Lindh, I had a report saying that Giga Berlin was about 2 to 3 months ahead of Giga Shanghai in terms of when both contracts were signed, how long it took them to level the ground, to start the foundation building. But now things are moving even faster. Now, Tobias Lindh reports that the 3rd tower crane is getting built, and the rails for the 4th crane are prepared. They are already working on the foundations of the 3 sections at the factory, and the new container park hints to the arrival of more workers, as I've said before. Now, these containers for workers continue to arrive at the construction site, which means that the number of workers is going to be increased because these containers are going to cater the workers' needs. This in turn indicates that the construction of Tesla's Giga Berlin continues to pick up the pace. So all things show for the speeding up of the Gigafactory. Now, Tobias also placed a construction drawing on top of the current drone photo so that it was clear which part of the factory was being built. You have been seeing these drawings on the screens in addition to the video that Tobias has shared. The foundation is built with vertical beams, as with the construction of Giga Shanghai. The video shows that in addition to the construction of phase 1, Tesla began serious preparation for other constructions on the site. So judging by the frames from the video, it can be argued that the laying of the foundation begins under the phase 2 building as well, which is also an amazing development. At the moment, the only factory that was being built at the same rapid pace is Giga Shanghai. But Giga Berlin, Tesla's European first Gigafactory, at the moment is already surpassing it in construction speed, as I have reported before. And according to Brandenburg Economy Minister Jörg Steinbach, something like a shell can already be seen in September. Tesla plans to begin production of Model Y electric crossover vehicle from mid-2021, but if progress continues at such a pace, then probably the production of the Model Y will begin ahead of schedule. How early, we don't know. If things go this way, friends, let me know how early do you think Tesla will be open for business. In one of my previous reports, I said that Tesla may be open for business by the end of this year, but that can mean a lot of things. I mean, Tesla may be preparing workers, training workers, but not production at the end of this year. But if things go this way, we will see probably Model Y crossover rolling off the assembly line much faster than the mid-2021. How early? Let me know in the comment section below, or anything interesting that you noticed and I didn't report here. In the meantime, thank you, Tobias, for all this information that you share with us, and also Albrecht and Jürgen and Silas and everyone who shares the information from Giga Berlin. Friends, if you have interesting videos, I have been reporting about the possible land of Austin that Tesla is about possibly to buy, that Tesla has the option to buy. If you're from the Austin area and have a drone, would like to take some videos and send it to me, contact me through my email, which you can can find from our About page. And also, if you would like to do a blog about Tesla at torquenews.com and would like me to report it here, let me know your ideas contacting me. I would welcome interesting Tesla news reporters from our community, as you guys have excellent comments in these videos. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel. There are lots of developing stories that I keep reporting thanks to our friends and you every day. Join our community, like this video, share in social media. That will greatly help us. And I'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Take good care of each other and see you soon, friends.